Hello everyone, welcome back into our Friday edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about weather, and we had a cloudy day all day long, mainly just high clouds, but we are looking at a change in the weather pattern that could bring some rain to us by tomorrow night. It'll be out of here by Mother's Day, and then after that we're warming back up again, really warming back up again. I'll tell you about that in just a little bit. Look at this beautiful photograph sent in by Bill Cody, a magnificent sunset. It describes it beautifully. I think he lives up there around the ski land area. And he's able to capture all this gorgeous colors here. The sun down on the horizon there. Nice shot, Bill. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, well, there's the number. I should say the email address. photos@ktvf11.com. Here's your numbers right now. 64 degrees. That's our high for the day. The low last night, 40. The record high was 73. Wow, nice day in 1995. Chilly in 1964. Got down to 8 degrees for the record low that night. Sunrise and sunset, 17 hours and 51 minutes. We'll go over 18 hours this weekend. And that's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. On the satellite radar, you can see the moisture starting to move in a little more intense, and the flow is becoming a little more out of the southeast. That's what we're looking at, some of it breaking through the Alaska range here, and also with all that moisture backing up, it's a pretty good chance we're going to see a little bit of shower activity tomorrow night, and a better chance, well actually tomorrow night is a better chance, and then should be out of here, like I said, by Sunday, so that's good news. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, as you can see here, looking at temperatures, very nice around Juneau, but still some rain shower activity, all associated with that flow coming out of the southeast. Some showers at Kodiak Island, also in the Anchorage Bowl. A few sprinkles here and there over there along the Aleutian Chain. Not too bad at Colby, 39 there. 36 degrees for the high in Nome today. Nice day in Barrow, 29 degrees there, and a very good day in Fort Yukon, 64, partly cloudy skies. Lower 48 weather, lots to talk about once again. And as you can see on the west coast, things are looking pretty good. Not quite as warm in Phoenix, only 75 degrees, but the same in Seattle, 75 there. 51 in Denver, and they're getting ready for a really interesting situation. More thunderstorms, some of them possibly bringing tornadoes, lots of damaging winds and heavy rain and hail, all of it happening there, while the rest of the eastern half of the country looks pretty good. On the satellite radar, you can see these storms once again blowing up in the afternoon, really exploding. Pretty good frontal boundaries, or I should say boundaries, just squall lines mainly for the most part. And look what's happening across the Rockies here. This is going to be interesting to watch because this is what happens Saturday night and Sunday. Look at the snow. Up to a foot of snow in the Cheyenne area, down to Denver, maybe 8 to 10 inches of snow. This is only, what, May 9th we're talking about. That's amazing, and it's going to be gone in a few days, but still, it'll be pretty interesting to watch that. And the overall jet stream will be changing dramatically next week. It'll become more zonal, like from west to east, and then roaring back up the east coast. And this area of low pressure here is Tropical Storm Anna. That's now moving onshore and expected to bring just mainly heavy rain for the most part. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. For the northern sections, we're looking at partly cloudy skies at Nome, mostly cloudy skies for Barrow and Fort Yukon. Now here in the interior, well, we're going to be clouding up throughout the day with a chance of showers of rain, mainly developing over the Healy, Delta Junction, and Fairbanks areas by late afternoon into early evening. While over the southeastern sections, looks like periods of rain from Juneau right on down to Ketchikan. Over to the southwest, mixed bag of weather once again, mostly sunny in Bethel, but rain at Kodiak and cloudy skies for Cold Bay. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, we're looking at, for the most part, cloudy skies in Anchorage, rain showers for Homer, and periods of rain in Valdez. So a wet, messy weekend there for the south central sections. Our forecast for the remainder of the night looks like this. And we're going to be talking, oh, there it is, the forecast for night, 43 degrees, very warm, mostly cloudy skies, still some breezes out there. But here's the change for tomorrow. Cloudy skies with a chance of rain developing by evening, 62 degrees, but it gets better after that. The 5-day outlook, that is a 70-degree mark there on Thursday. How about that? Temperatures rising once again after we get past these clouds and rain, and then overnight lows will also be very warm. And I think Stephanie liked that because I heard a little bit of a, hey, yell for you there, huh?
I did a woohoo.
Yeah.